Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm. You will see the message at the bottom, Do Not Disturb mode enabled. The icon will change the color to the blue. It's gonna get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And I believe if you go back to watch face, no, never mind, there is no indication on the watch face. Sometimes on the watch face, watch displays the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode to tell you that it's enabled, but on this watch it's not the case. So that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will go back to gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then you can go back to watch face. You can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Basically make it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. To do it, we need to open the settings, so press the upper button on the watch face to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the list of options, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and tap on it, and here, as you can see, we have the schedule option. Enable it by tapping on the switch next to it, tap on the check mark, and now you will see the start time and end time. Start time is when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and end time is when it will turn off, basically. So tap on start, set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. For example, I'm gonna set it to 10:30 p.m. and then I'm gonna set the end time, so to 6:30 a.m. like this. So my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. And once you're done setting up your schedule, you can press the upper or the lower button to go back. Also, if you want to disable the schedule, you can simply tap on the switch right here to disable it. Okay. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.